Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Margrette, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly do so by clicking on the subscribe button below and tapping on the notification bell so that you will be aware of new uploads. So I posted a status on my Facebook timeline. It actually stated a question on what my trainees' first impressions were when they entered the training room. So if you don't know, I actually train BPO and back office trainees, agents. So without further ado, let's go ahead and check out their impressions. So the first one who commented was Shemai, kinagwapahan. So Shem, her first impression upon entering the training room was pretty daw po charing. Sagdi na ng iro guys, banha kay sila. So I have 34 impressions all in all, comments sa akong post. I posted this last April 5. So the comments that I got within 2 days, I am including in this vlog. So daghan pari-pariho, but I will just shout out their names and their comments and their impressions, because I appreciate the effort in commenting to my post. Number 1, Shemai kinagwapahan. She said, I'm pretty. France Valencia said, maanyag kayo of beauty. Thank you so much. Number 3, Jerwin Baya. He is also a supervisor. Demure, pero di ay. Nailad siya. Mernel Antojado, he was not my trainee, but he was also a trainer from Manila. He actually went on a training in my previous company. He was also a trainer. So I represented the training team in, I think it was 2015 Sinulog. So I was a representative for that company in a Sinulog float, and I was really happy, and it was really an overwhelming experience. So I danced and they witnessed it and also took a video of it. So siya. Si Myrna Antojado from Manila. Jelay! Americana na siya. I'm not sure because they often say that I don't really look pure Filipina. It's just because I'm not really pure Filipina. Basta taas o ganang kaagya mong kaliwa, guys. But yeah, I'm not American. Martin Angelo Guadalupe Flora from Bacolod. I think it was 3 years ago. I was assigned in Bacolod to work. I was expecting just for 2 weeks, but they extended for 2 months. So I actually went to a lot of good places there, ate a lot of good food, and knew a lot of good people from Bacolod. So happy kay ko ato na experience. So hi Martin, I hope you're watching this. Next is Mai Pedimonte, ning siya approachable kuno ko. Tinuod ba? Bitaw eh. Yeah, I'm really approachable. I might seem strict and suplada at first, but if you really know me, sayon ra kay kudulon guys. Ana Marie Alioso Evangelista. So sweet. Murag juice day. Sweet rig ko pagkataon no. Lagi na po koy time na if unhan ko og minagdita, mas malita pa ko ninyo. So, watch out. Jennifer Harapan. Hala ka gwapa with the heart. Charing. Thank you kayo sa inyong mga positive comments. No, na ako actually negative coming soon in a bit. But thank you so much for this positive comment. Mary Ann Misa Hickman. Glass skin oy, char. Guys, if you know me way back college, I really had a lot of pimples in my forehead and daghan kay scars, but thank God it actually healed, and I found the product that suited my face and was hiyang nako. So thank you Lord. But glass skin, magkataon ko ng glass skin for Koreans mo na siya. Stricta but di kakumpiyansaan kay Tai Chi Master. Yeah, so if you also didn't know, when I was 13, I entered a martial arts group called Chan Si Chuan Internal Arts Society. I'm a lifetime member there, so I may not have been practicing every week na kay I already live in Lapu-Lapu City and the practice venue is in Abeliana. But guys, if you want to join the team, feel free to ask me and leave it in the comments below. If you want to learn Tai Chi and Wushu, we can teach you. Chan Sichuan can. I really learned a lot from the team. I learned how to dance, Wushu dances, the sword, Tai Chi, Tag-as. You need to learn the dances for years. Not for F-O-R. It takes time to learn the dances. Next is Ann Calizo de Lima. Charming daw ko, char. Dexter Alegrado Alcoriza, smart. Thank you for that positive feedback. So, if you notice, dili puro looks ang ilang comment good about me. They also appreciated how I taught them inside the training room. So, thank you so much for these comments. Valerie Ursal, Shufo niya fresh. Oh. Thank you so much, fresh. Kay bago kung ligo ka na sugos training, no? Next, Georgie May Aparicio Villasencio. Artista ni Char. Ito it was really my dream when I was young to be an artist, to be an actress, but God knows where we are going, right? So only God knows where we are heading. So for now, live each day as if it were your last. So kung unsa may moabot, dawata. If di moabot, move on. Kim Brial Amores, pretty with a lot of hearts, kayu-kayu and pakpak. Hi Kim, I hope you're watching this. Kurt Turlao, fire, fire, fire. So there are 3 fire emojis here and I don't know really what it means. Maybe it's hot, maybe it's fierce, maybe tungod sa akong kamalita nagkayo. Bitaw kay Bawansan. May katawar po siya pag-reply na kuyawan taan yung kayo oy. Gwenchi Yu Rio Florido, pretty like me. Hi Gwenchi, yeah, you're pretty. No one's ugly, guys. Everyone on earth is either beautiful or handsome. Nainig yum yum yum, my gosh, but di na ko siya trainee, amigo ra na ko siya, so joke ra siya. Christian Paul Montecillo, hilason og strikta, hahaha, tungod sa kilay og accent. Worst jud, abi gani nako kay maldita, hahaha. But he actually thought of me wrong. He said, yes, dakong sayo. I am the exact opposite sa iyang ipanulti. I may be strict at first, and I may look maldita, but depende ra gyud na nimo kung unsa imong approach nako. Tinga na pud mas mo ingana po nimo. Marvin Radores Suralta, buutan. Yay! Yes, I'm actually good. I'm a good-hearted person if you really know me deep, but if you judge me by your first look, I think masayop jud mo. Sid Ishimi D. Solano, skin kayo. She's also a trainer. We worked from my previous company. She's also a trainer there. Hi Sid, naani sila lechon manukan, guys. Lami kayo. Si delicious na dito sa Banilan. Echain May de la Sierra, cutie. Char. Go naman ko rin with cutie. Jeffrey Go, gorgeous. Char. Thank you, Jeff. JM Mercini, Koreana. Daghang gi magtuon na Koreana ko, guys. So it's but Asian, knowing na Asian ta, daghan gyud tag qualities na same sa Japanese, Korean, but I'm still Filipino. It's just that murag na ami dugo na inchik and nasad mi dugo na from Lebanon. Because my grandfather from my mother's side was Lebanese. Na siya part Lebanese. Guwapo ka to, Lulu. Kenry Granada Riveral, you look so pretty, beautiful, and gorgeous. Daya naging kompleto. Jera Laika Lucero, makataha miss kay strikta og aura. Tungod yun ni skillay ni mo miss. Sa una katong wala pa ko yung microblade, guys. Ako rin mag-drawing sa akong kilay. Ano sa'yo, mabagaan kayo na ako. So, pasensya na mo. Di ta perfect kilay, but mo na siya. Tungod yun na sa pangilay, no? Maria Mig, smart and pretty. Char! Smart and pretty. Freelin Flores, guapa. Kani siya kay model po ni siya. Jeshil Baguio Flores, one of the closest trainees that I ever had. Then nangadto pud mi sa ilaha sa Barili, namista na pud mi ani sa ilaha, nagkasuod pud mi. That's why I referred her brother sa akong current company and nadawat, and karon close na pud mi sa igsuon. Hi Jesh, I hope you're watching this. Niingon day siya, China kuwang ko, charing. Actually si China pareha mig dunggan, usa gamay usa dako. Don Facundo Capistrano, wati ka na trainer pero pagkita nako, love, guwapo, haha, charing. Dito is ops. I think he saw me in operations and naka-comment siya ni. He, if I'm not mistaken, classmate ni sila sa akong mga cousins or sa akong sister way back elementary sa San Carlos Girls High. Kisha Shikims, guwapa kayo, mistisa, murag Koreana, diba? Prepare sila og kanang panlantaw na ko guys. Ato ni karon. Okay, mo nahanap na ko na da. Hello? Hello? Okay. Jero Ramirez, kaingon ko guwapa sa dani niya. Uy, sana all. Jero is also a trainer. He actually left our current company due to some reasons that di lang na to i-mention. Pero I really feel for Jero and he actually deserves to be treated more than that. So I'm really happy kung asa na karon Jero. Yes, you deserve to be happy. And if you think that you're not treated well by someone or by people, it's your right and you are really free to do whatever you want to do. So I'm happy that you decided to leave because you did not really feel safe and happy anymore. Judy Ann Torres, kagwapa trainer namin ba? Okay, so she's also from Bacolod, same with Martin. And na-close po din ako siya ni anhin siya Cebu and we visited her. She's like mother vibes, so kanang muna magtambag siya nako because I really did not know the people I worked with there in Bacolod, and she somehow gave me hints of what to expect from those people. So dako po siyang natabang while I was there. So mauto siya tanan guys. And if you have not been under me in the training class, in any training classes, I've been a trainer since 2014. Yes, it's already 2020. Almost 6 years. Almost 6 years of training, and I'm really happy to be a trainer. If I was going to be offered to be part of operations, I think I'm going to be hesitant for that, and I doubt I will accept it because I'm really happy where I am right now, and I'm really happy talking to people, teaching people what to do when it comes to business related aspect. Love life, di kay kung katambagana because I also went through a lot of downs sa love life, so di lang ta mag-storyana. But anyway guys, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, and if you want to give your impressions about me, please do comment them below. And if you want to show your support to my channel, kindly do so by clicking on the subscribe button. From red, it will turn gray once you've successfully subscribed, and tap on the notification bell so that you will be aware of new uploads. Thank you so much for watching this vlog, and I hope you enjoyed it. See you in my next vlog, lovies. Please do stay at home, it's still quarantine, and eat healthy food guys. Plant in your backyard. Thank you so much. Bye guys.